How to do Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can do Uber Eats, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to do Uber Eats and then sign up as a Uber Eats driver or delivery driver, in that case you would have to download this application here that says Uber Driver, available on Play Store and App Stores of iPhones and Android. Now once you do this, you can just log into your normal Uber account using the normal Uber account. Now after that, it will ask you to verify a couple of things. So it says here's what you need to do, set up. Now if you want to do Uber Eats, you have to sign up as a Uber Eats driver, and to sign up as a Uber Eats driver you need to have all these legal details, which is your first of all your profile photo. So you need to take your profile photo over here. Then after that you need to just make sure to have your driver's license, the vehicle insurance, the registration certificate, and make sure you take picture of those. You fill in all those forms at the application tells you to. Then after that you will be able to sign up as a driver if Uber accepts you. This way you can do Uber Eats. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.